Welcome back everyone. Today, we're exploring the next generation 2026 Porsche Cayman, a stunning two-door masterpiece engineered for both elegance and unmatched performance. Let's dive into what makes this car a game-changer in the world of sports vehicles. The 2026 Porsche Cayman is built to conquer any terrain with ease. Thanks to its McPherson spring strut suspension and ventilated disc brakes, this car offers incredible stability and stopping power, ensuring a smooth ride even on challenging road tracks. The WD drivetrain and precise power-assisted steering make every curve and straightaway feel like an extension of the driver's intent, delivering total control on all surfaces. Long-distance travel is where the Cayman truly shines. With a fuel tank capacity of 54 liters and excellent mileage, you can expect a remarkable balance between power and efficiency. The dual-clutch 7-speed automatic transmission, combined with a turbocharged M2 2.20 flap-4 engine, ensures seamless gear shifts and optimal performance, even on extended journeys. The Cayman delivers 295 bhp at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 380 Nm of torque at 2,150 revolutions per minute, making it as powerful as it is efficient. This model boasts incredible features that enhance both safety and convenience. 6 airbags, electronic stability programs, and traction control systems ensure maximum safety on every drive. With advanced lighting systems like bi-xenon projector headlights, LED taillights, and follow me home functionality, visibility is never an issue, no matter the time or conditions. When it comes to interior luxury, the Cayman takes sophistication to the next level. Dual-zone automatic climate control provides personalized comfort, while leather and Alcantara seats combine black, white, and Cayman teal for a striking visual appeal. The steering wheel features elegant teal accents, complementing the ambient lighting that enhances the cabin's atmosphere. In terms of rivals, the Porsche Cayman stands out with its superior engineering and thoughtful design. Its lightweight frame and powerful turbocharged engine allow for a stunning acceleration of 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.9 seconds and a top speed of 275 km/h. This combination of speed and agility sets it apart from the competition, delivering a driving experience that's truly one of a kind. And for fuel efficiency, the Cayman blends power with practicality. It's engineered to optimize every drop of fuel without compromising its thrilling performance, making it perfect for both weekend adventures and daily commutes. If you're looking for a car that excels on every level, be it performance, design, or cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Porsche Cayman Teal is undoubtedly a leader in its class. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.